Did you know that just 1 cup of hibiscus tea a day can help reverse blood pressure damage and promote cardiovascular health? High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a leading risk factor for heart disease and stroke, affecting millions of people worldwide. In this video, we discuss the 15 amazing benefits of hibiscus tea. Number 1. Rich in antioxidants. Hibiscus tea is packed with antioxidants, including flavonoids and anthocyanins, which help combat oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress can damage blood vessels and lead to high blood pressure by reducing the elasticity of arteries. The antioxidants in hibiscus tea help protect the blood vessels, ensuring they remain flexible and functional, which in turn lowers blood pressure. By reducing oxidative stress, hibiscus tea also helps prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries, a condition known as atherosclerosis. This plaque buildup can lead to heart disease and strokes if left unchecked. Drinking hibiscus tea regularly helps keep your arteries clear and your heart healthy, contributing to better long-term cardiovascular health. Number 2. Natural diuretic effect. Hibiscus tea acts as a natural diuretic, encouraging the kidneys to expel excess sodium and water from the body. This helps reduce the volume of fluid in the bloodstream, which in turn lowers blood pressure. By promoting healthy urine production, hibiscus tea can help maintain fluid balance in the body without causing dehydration or electrolyte imbalances. Excess sodium is a major contributor to high blood pressure, as it causes the body to retain water, increasing the pressure on blood vessel walls. Hibiscus tea's diuretic effect helps counteract this by encouraging the kidneys to flush out sodium, making it a natural and effective way to manage hypertension. Number 3. Lowers systolic blood pressure. Hibiscus tea is particularly effective at lowering systolic blood pressure, the top number in a blood pressure reading. Systolic blood pressure represents the pressure in your arteries when your heart beats. High systolic blood pressure is a strong predictor of cardiovascular risk, especially in older adults. Research has found that drinking hibiscus tea daily can lower systolic blood pressure by an average of 7 to 10 points. This reduction may seem small, but it can have a significant impact on reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other hypertension-related complications. Number 4. Lowers diastolic blood pressure. In addition to its effects on systolic blood pressure, hibiscus tea has also been shown to lower diastolic blood pressure, which measures the pressure in the arteries between heartbeats. Elevated diastolic pressure can put a strain on the heart and increase the risk of cardiovascular disease over time. Drinking hibiscus tea regularly helps lower diastolic blood pressure, making it easier for the heart to relax between beats. This relaxation improves overall heart function and reduces the long-term strain that high diastolic pressure places on the cardiovascular system. Before we proceed to the next benefit, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 5. Helps reduce inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to a number of health problems, including high blood pressure and heart disease. Hibiscus tea contains anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce inflammation in the body, which can protect blood vessels from damage and improve overall heart health. By lowering inflammation, hibiscus tea can reduce the risk of hypertension-related complications, such as arterial stiffness and plaque buildup. Regular consumption of hibiscus tea can help manage inflammation naturally, contributing to a healthier cardiovascular system. Number 6. Improves cholesterol levels. High cholesterol is another risk factor for heart disease, and hibiscus tea has been shown to help improve cholesterol levels. Studies have demonstrated that hibiscus tea can lower LDL, bad cholesterol levels, while increasing HDL, good cholesterol, creating a healthier balance in the bloodstream. Lowering LDL cholesterol reduces the risk of plaque formation in the arteries, which can lead to blockages, heart attacks, and strokes. By improving cholesterol levels, hibiscus tea offers a dual benefit. It helps lower blood pressure and supports heart health by reducing the likelihood of artery blockages. Number 7. Regulates blood sugar levels. Hibiscus tea has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, which is important for people with high blood pressure. High blood sugar can damage blood vessels and contribute to hypertension, as well as increase the risk of developing diabetes and heart disease. By helping to keep blood sugar levels stable, hibiscus tea supports both heart health and blood pressure control. In individuals with metabolic syndrome or diabetes, hibiscus tea can help manage insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism, reducing the risk of further cardiovascular complications. Drinking hibiscus tea regularly can help keep both blood sugar and blood pressure in check, promoting overall metabolic and cardiovascular health. Number 8. Reduces stress levels. Chronic stress is a major contributor to high blood pressure, as it triggers the release of hormones that cause blood vessels to constrict. Hibiscus tea has natural calming properties that can help reduce stress and promote relaxation, which in turn lowers blood pressure. Sipping on a cup of hibiscus tea can be a simple and effective way to unwind and support heart health. The soothing effects of hibiscus tea are also beneficial for mental health. By reducing stress and anxiety, hibiscus tea can contribute to better emotional well-being, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels over the long term. Number 9. Boosts circulation. Hibiscus tea helps improve blood circulation by relaxing blood vessels and promoting better blood flow. Improved circulation reduces the strain on the heart and allows oxygen and nutrients to be delivered more efficiently to tissues and organs. This enhanced circulation also helps reduce blood pressure by easing the pressure on artery walls. When blood flow is improved, it reduces the risk of clot formation and other circulatory problems, making hibiscus tea a great addition to your daily routine for boosting cardiovascular health. Number 10. Contains no caffeine. Unlike many teas and beverages, hibiscus tea is naturally caffeine-free, making it a great option for those looking to lower blood pressure. Caffeine can temporarily raise blood pressure by stimulating the heart and constricting blood vessels. So limiting caffeine intake is often recommended for individuals with hypertension. By choosing hibiscus tea over caffeinated drinks, you can enjoy a flavorful, refreshing beverage that supports heart health without the negative effects of caffeine. This makes it an ideal drink for any time of day, including the evening. Number 11. Supports weight loss. Obesity and excess weight are major risk factors for high blood pressure and heart disease. Hibiscus tea has been shown to support weight loss by boosting metabolism and promoting fat loss. The polyphenols in hibiscus tea help inhibit the production of fat cells, making it easier to manage weight and maintain a healthy body mass index, BMI. By helping with weight management, hibiscus tea reduces the strain on the heart and lowers the risk of hypertension-related complications. Drinking hibiscus tea regularly can be part of a comprehensive strategy to control weight and improve cardiovascular health. Number 12. Enhances kidney function. Hibiscus tea supports kidney health, which is closely linked to blood pressure regulation. The diuretic properties of hibiscus tea help the kidneys function more effectively by promoting the elimination of waste and excess fluids. Healthy kidney function is essential for maintaining proper blood pressure levels, as the kidneys play a key role in regulating fluid balance. Improved kidney function not only helps lower blood pressure, but also reduces the risk of kidney disease, a condition that can develop as a result of uncontrolled hypertension. Regular consumption of hibiscus tea can help protect the kidneys while supporting overall cardiovascular health. Number 13. Protects against stroke. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for stroke, as it can cause damage to blood vessels in the brain. Hibiscus tea's ability to lower blood pressure and improve circulation helps reduce the risk of stroke by keeping blood vessels healthy and free from blockages. By drinking hibiscus tea daily, you can protect your brain and cardiovascular system from the harmful effects of high blood pressure. The antioxidants in hibiscus tea also help protect brain cells from oxidative stress, further reducing the risk of stroke and promoting overall neurological health. Number 14. Supports liver health. A healthy liver is essential for maintaining balanced blood pressure, as the liver helps regulate blood sugar, cholesterol, and toxin levels in the body. Hibiscus tea has been shown to support liver health by enhancing liver detoxification and reducing liver fat, which is particularly beneficial for individuals with high blood pressure and metabolic issues. By supporting liver function, hibiscus tea indirectly helps regulate blood pressure and improve heart health. A healthy liver ensures that your body's detoxification processes are functioning efficiently, reducing the burden on other organs, including the heart and kidneys. Number 15, easy to incorporate into your routine. One of the greatest benefits of hibiscus tea is how easy it is to incorporate into your daily routine. With just 1 cup a day, you can start experiencing its blood pressure lowering effects. Hibiscus tea can be enjoyed hot or cold, making it a versatile beverage for any season. Its tart, cranberry-like flavor can also be sweetened naturally with honey or lemon for added taste and health benefits. Whether you drink it in the morning, as an afternoon pick-me-up, or as part of your evening relaxation routine, hibiscus tea is a convenient and natural way to support your heart and blood pressure health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and for more amazing videos, subscribe to our channel.